Okay, main disclaimer. I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't care. Maybe this should be like a slogan. You don't have to do everything right to enjoy yourself. And in the end, it's just a conveniently twisted piece of metal. I've never used this thing before. Oh yeah. I'm not sure how. I'm not even in frame, am I? We're using whatever I can find. Mostly because I forgot the stuff that I had for this at home. Circular motion. Wipe clean with microfiber cloth. Okay. Sounds pretty straightforward. The clay bar works. Like, that's ridiculous. Hopefully the buffer stays. Still liquid? Okay, we do have some other paste which will cut that deeper. Okay, didn't do nearly enough. You can still see major scratches. I've still got a couple of scratches here. I think I still have a handful of scratches here. You see how I'm starting to get a bit of color on here? It means I'm getting through the clear coat in a couple spots, so I gotta stop. So I'm just gonna do the rest of the hood. Better than it was. Okay, this headlight was terrible. Sanded it down with 400 so far. I'm gonna do 1,000, and then 2,000, then 3,000. And I'm seeing I still have a bit of clear coat right under here of the old clear. Let's see. Yeah, there. I gotta get rid of that, so I have to back up again. And this is after the buffing compound. So now the headlights don't look like dirt. And I buffed the hood. It's still, it needs like a deep cut wax, honestly. But I put some ceramic coating on it just because I was curious how the application would go and what the product was like. Once again, it's a chemical guy stuff. Hydro slick something something. All right, cop car, BRZ, fun stuff.
The next day.
So me and my brother and Joel opted to get together. I was bored. Call it a midlife crisis. Who cares? And we decided to get together and build cars. Or initially it was just for profit, you know, buy it, fix it up, sell it, buy it, fix it up, sell it. But I mean, the car market kind of fell out. But also, I have more fun building. But I'm actually really excited about doing the videos. And I want to get as many videos out of this car as I can, not for like monetary reasons, but just because there's a lot to do on this car and there's a lot of good stuff. And so it's like, why sell it right away when fix all the little things? And so just make this into a good car. Yeah, I'm kind of excited about that. This came up cheap. The motor needed a lot of work and I was really looking for a big project. I wanted something that I could just really sink my teeth into. But these things are cool and they're not as heavy as people think. This version is like 2,400 pounds. It no longer has a seat. That's all gone. So that's a little bit of weight gone. But I mean, 2,400 pounds. This one's got the 18 in it now. It's got GSR trans. I don't care that the top comes off, but I love that the back window goes down. The top can stay on forever. I got no hair. All I get is sunburn. I'm looking like an old boomer with my hat on in a convertible or target top. Counterintuitive to me. But if I got the top on, the back window down, the side window's down, that's gold. Love that. Why are we doing this? Just for fun. This is my friend's garage, Joel. One of the other partners in this, my brother, Nathan, Joel, and me, Josh. We just want to build cool shit. And honestly, I would kind of like it if I could just keep them all when I'm done. I'm not sure what the next project is. I was really worried about what the next project was going to be. I wanted to get this thing out the door. Now I'm just kind of enjoying this one, and I just want to keep taking it further and further and further. Unfortunately, the whole car needs a full repaint. That's a no. But yeah, it just eats money like crazy. Car didn't cost too much. We're into it for about $5 grand now. Canadian. We're in Canada. Canadiana, Cascadia, whatever you want to call it. West Coast Canada. Lower Mainland. Vancouver area. Yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff that went into this. But it's totally worth saving it. Like, you can't buy cars like this anymore. They don't exist. I mean, there's still Delsols around, but I mean, why let one go to the scrapyard when you can save it? Today, I'm gonna resume trying to save the paint. I'm gonna tape this all up, tape up all the rubbers. I'll focus mostly on this side because it's not a big garage. I've got room on this side to work. Tapey, 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 tape. Oh yeah, you know what? So tape doesn't stick once you put stupid ceramic coat on there. I did it again. Also, if you're not eating croissants, what are you doing with your life?
Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Water can flow, or it can crash. Be water, my friend. Be water, my friend.
It's a 10-footer. Big dent there. I will try to PDR that one. I also have to re-clear, send this down and re-clear this. All right, that's it for today. Go do something you want. Or don't. I don't care what you do. Just don't be miserable doing things you don't want to do and then complain to everybody else about it. Just do it. Am I gonna put that in the video? Probably not. The car. Shiny, but bad. But shiny. So, ciao. No, I'm not gonna do the camera slap. What's normal? Okay, well, I guess normal for me is the awkward ending. Woohoo! Yay, I got the temp gauge working. Turns out, if it doesn't work, just wait longer.